What's going on, YouTubers, people of the internet? It has been a little bit of time since I've done one of these. Yeah, I think it's just because I wonder. Haven't had time to do it before. Work has been crazy, as well as well, a couple of things. Let's start. Like I didn't have a GoPro for a while, so I actually didn't have any way of making any footage. I haven't had time to make these edits. It's a bit of a shitstorm to make an edit, I'll tell you, as well as make it interesting and well, you know, just not so jut. I've had a bit of time on my hands lately, you know, due to COVID restrictions and stuff like that. As well as, let's see, I've been watching other channels of YouTube. It's nice to see some of the OG channels that I still watch actually doing bike vlogs. I thought most of those guys just moved away from it so they could start making money, you know, in a way kind of sell out. But I was a little wrong. It's nice to see that the OG guys are still doing it. So I was like, hey, you know, well, you know, I can still do one too. So we're trying new things, trying my heart out not to swear. I've noticed YouTube doesn't share the sweary videos, so we stay away from that. I'm quite the cussy boy. So yeah, we're on for a new vlog, and the number one reason why is because look at it. I got me a new motorcycle. It was the strangest thing. During the lockdown, I had so many offers on my previous motorcycle, so much so that I was like, well, I haven't had any good offers like this before. Let me jump on the bandwagon. And let me tell you, it's a different world. Riding an old clunky CRF 250 to this fancy boy with its gadgets and gadgets, as our Lord and Savior would say, old Doug DeMuro. It's quirks and features. And I'm sure the first thing you notice is this big bloody dashboard right in front of my face. It's quite neat. I've never had it. I don't even think my car is this fancy. Actually, I know my car is not this fancy. This is probably the fanciest thing I've ever owned. So I'm trying my heart out also not to wreck it and crash or do something stupid. But at the same time, I got this guy because it's apparently a fun boy. Still trying to learn how to wheelie it, but I'm getting there. It's got all the modes to turn off the ABS and do slippy slides. I'm not that brave yet. I want to get there. I want to have fun on this bike. At the same time, I don't want to do anything dumb and be stupid and have to pay money to fix it. So it's like a little bit of a teething process, I guess you'd say. Kind of ease myself into it, but at the same time still enjoy it. That's pretty much the reason why we're here. I think it took me a lot of words to say all of that. To cut it short, we're here because I'm bored and I got a new bike. Also, we've been having some fabulous weather lately. Nope. Look at all them birds. Yeah, as you can tell, not a cloud in the sky. It hasn't rained in about at least a month or so. So yeah, you can see everything's dry as hell. It looks like I live in Mad Max of Shitsville. Let's go down this road here and see where it goes. You better stop. It literally looks like I live in the desert. All this construction in the desert, it's like Dubai, but like the 1990s in Dubai. There's another biker boy down there. What are they doing? Are they learning? Got a fancy boy whack. Got a fancy boy whack. Hey, what's up? It's a lady learning how to ride. Hey, what's up, mate? How you doing, man? Teaching a girl how to ride?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yourself?
Yeah, it's a nice day. Let's go for a ride around here.
790?
It's 390. Just a little baby.
Yeah.
But it's a lot of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, what you got there? Looks like a husky.
It's a husky, yeah.
Yeah, the 4-1.
Maybe around the area,
Yeah, actually, well, like I got this bike about a month ago, so I've come here to learn how to wheelie it.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll try up this road, it's nice.
Is it? Thank you, man.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Have a good one, dude. That was interesting. He seemed like a nice dude. Traction guys. You guys working hard on a Saturday. Away. What are y'all making? Let me be honest with you, it sucks having to do this all alone, eh? I wish I had some riding partners, so if any of you guys are in the hood, come give me a holler. I want to ride with y'all. Okay, let's go for a little look. What is this place? What is all that down there? I found a secret entrance to this place. Usually people have to pay to get in here. Oh, holy wow. There's a whole thing going on. Okay, I'm not going to go venturing in there. Sorry. It's quite the family thing. Oh, if I do a wheelie in here, people will be upset with me. Oh shit! I'm gonna turn around before they start asking me questions. Where's my money? I don't recognize the only motorcycle in this place. That was an animal footprint. Buckaroo. But it looks like this place got burnt to a crisp. So I don't know where all the buckies went. Please remind me to put gas in before I go home, guys. Thank you. Also, do us a solid and give us a share and a subscribe. This is like a little hidden gem. I mean, I live down the road and I've never seen a flyer or some sort of advertising for this. It's the last Saturday of the month. It's probably got a lot to do with that. Alright, we've got to get that clutch a little bit more in. Not be so scared. I am a big wimp. Look at that, everything's been burnt. So I don't know if the GoPro sees that far because of the wide angle. But everything's crispy. You know when you forget about your toast? Yeah, that kind of crispy vibe. Let this truck man go. Alright, he's not gonna go, so I'm gonna go. Thank you, bud. You are monstrous. I don't know if you can see that sun is burning down there. Like I said, it hasn't rained in a long time, so everything's dry as hell. Alright, let's talk us through this, because I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I like to think I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. So, I know I can get up in first gear, so that's easy. To keep it going in first gear is a little bit of a different story. So, I'll try to get it up in second. If we can get it up in second, it'll be easier to keep it going in second. The thing is, to get it up in second is a little harder than what we think. My process is basically this. Roll off at first, change to second, and before we get too many revs going in second gear, I like to dip the front brake so we can get some nice crunch action going, forgive my terminology. As we do that, pull the clutch and rev the revs. That made sense, right? So we're going to try. I don't want to loop it, so we're going to monitor that front brake down there. Hey front brake, please God, let this work. So it was alright. See, I'm pulling. Okay. First gear, shift to second. No. Why do they make this shit look easy? I'm gonna do one thing and turn off the ABS. And turn the music off because that's distracting. Motorcycle. Put you in supermoto mode. Okay. Same thing. See, the security guy was checking me out behind me in the mirror. Whatever, I wasn't doing anything wrong. just feels like my tire spins even more. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. That was fun, but I can't afford tires, so I'm not gonna do that a lot. Let's put the ABS back on. We're gonna wait for this car to pass. Safety first. What do you guys think of my bike? Fine, don't wave back. He's on his phone, didn't even see me. Let's try without the brake. Okay, that kind of worked. Still on his phone, doesn't even look like he's moved. That was basically a fail. I learned nothing. Oops. That's quite a thing. That was quite easy to push. Fuel. I think I made a new friend. I don't have anyone to ride with, and it was just a random coincidence. There's some more riders. There we go, Yamaha and another Yamaha. Everyone seems to be going riding today. Can't really keep up with them. My little 400 versus what looks like super bikes. I think I need to jack my game up. I know nothing. Getting a bit of a headache. I think it was from my dentist appointment this morning. Novocaine's wearing off, and now my face is sore. Dance, boy. Me scusi. I'm gonna sneak in next to you. You gonna go? Thank you. I'm gonna go around you. You're on the phone. You too. Goodbye, fellow riders. Now we can play some music. So what's nice about this guy, I can control my music from the dash. However, it looks like my phone is disconnected. Oh, selling their ciggies. Unnecessary. Kicked up a whole bunch of stones into my foot, guy. Why you drive like that? Can you fill up 95? 95. Yeah, well, the good stuff. Alright, well I think it's time to go home. We've had a good enough ride. Did some wheelie practice and met a new friend. Oh. Hey. That's why I love a bike. Like if you're in a car, you can't just do that, you know. Majority of the time, other drivers are jet. We do it. Do you like my key tag? It's custom made. Also, that was a complete lie. Okay, you just go, bro. You do you, boo-boo. I do want to learn how to do stoppies on this thing. Apparently it's supposed to be easy, very much doable. But I think definitely the ABS has got to be off. I've squeezed literally the life out of this front brake and the back wheel doesn't come up. Hey boss! Get yourself! I hate this glove thing. Oh wait! Baby wheelie off the ramp! Let's go see what's happening in this person's house. Can I come to your guys' party? Hello? They're actually letting me into their party.